If I was 14 years old today, I would be making a minimum $2,000 to $3,000 a month.
To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son. To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son.
Today, let's learn how to make $3,000 a month as a teen with Patrick Bay-David.
Most adults have no clue about social media. When I tell you no clue, when I say adults, I'm not talking 22-year-olds. I'm talking about maybe 35, 45. They don't have any clue. Most of them don't know a lot about social media, and you would be amazed how many of them are intimidated by it. For instance, this whole idea came about because I'm on Snapchat, and I'm pretty active now on Snapchat. I'm on a 90-day health transformation program. I'm trying to get to a certain shape that I've never been before. And I want to get to that. So every morning I post my pictures on what I look like, and it's not the most comfortable thing to do, but I want to get rid of this gut. I want to get in a very, very good shape, just like I used to be at 21, 22 years old. And I'm starting to dialogue a lot with people that use Snapchat. Right, by the way, why don't we put my Snapchat code up here so other people can use it as well. And follow me on Snapchat. I'm very active now on Snapchat. And I'm getting a lot of teenagers that would message me and say, hey, Pat, can you do a video on entrepreneurship for teenagers? Hey, Pat, can you give us some ideas? I know you talk a lot about business and scaling and how to do this, how to do it. How about me? I'm 14 years old. I want to find a way how to make money. How can you help me? So the idea for this video came from Snapchat because I got a message. I responded back and I said, let's make a video for this. Now, I didn't know how Snapchat worked. Let me tell you how I learned about how Snapchat worked. I'm in Bakersfield once. Mario, were you with me in Bakersfield when Shauna Blade was right next to me? And I'm asking Shauna, show me how to use Snapchat. And she started giving me an idea about Snapchat. Then I go to Florida. I'm spending time with Phoebe Kahindi. I'm spending time with Phoebe. She is now, I want to say, 16 years old. And for 30 minutes, she's shown me Snapchat. 16 years old, 37 years old. She's shown me Snapchat, right? Patrick, do this. Here's how this works. You need to do this. You need to do that. We're going through the whole thing together. You can do this, and you can put your finger, and then you can do this. All these things she taught me, I knew nothing about it. By the way, let me put it to you this way. I would have paid $100 for that. I would have paid $100 for that. You may be 13 years old watching and say, Pat, come on now. You'd pay $100 for that? Yes. Yes. If you go locally, and you tell your mom and dad, Mom, Dad, can you start telling friends and family that I'm going to teach everybody about social media, how to use Instagram, and who do we have that's business owner? Can you help me out? Parents don't mind helping you how to make money. So then you go out there and start talking about how to use this, how to use that. Next thing you know, you're making $50, $100 here. There's even a guy from my pastor's son who started teaching other people, his name is Dallas, who started teaching other people how to get a following on Twitter, how to get a following on Instagram, how to get a follow. He started really doing so well that other people started paying him $300 a month, $200 a month, $400 a month for doing this, and now he's got a business for himself. Every single month he helps increase following, and I know a lot of teenagers know how to increase following and exposure that maybe adults won't know how to do. I will tell you, if I was 13 years old today, if I was 12 years old today, if I was 14 years old today, I would be making a minimum $2,000 to $3,000 a month just teaching adults on social media. It would not be a hard thing to do if I was that today.
If you want to learn how to make $1,000 a week garage sale flipping with Gary Vee, check the video there right next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.
If I was really doing this,
turn right to stay on
I'd make $1,000 a week easy.